Hello students, welcome back. In earlier videos we had learned practice set 2.1 which is based on the basic concepts of parallel lines and the transversal. Okay, now in this video we will learn about the angles which are or properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. Okay, what are the types of angles and what are the properties of that angles we will discuss in this video. Okay, so in this video we will cover about the property of corresponding angle, property of alternate angle, then third one is property of interior angles. So we will start here property of corresponding angles. Okay, so what is the exactly property of corresponding angle means? Okay, so property of corresponding angle, just observe this figure first. In this figure PQ line is parallel to RS. Okay, these two lines are parallel to each other, and this AB line is what? AB line is a transversal. Why? Because this transversal passes through these 2 points at different points. In line PQ, what is the intersection point here? That is here. In line RS, what is the intersection point here? That is here. That means there are two different points of intersection when this line passes through these two lines. Okay, so therefore this line is called as a transversal. Clear? Next, so each pair of corresponding angle formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. Okay, what is meant by congruent here? Congruent means the same. Okay, congruent means same or equal angles. So what is the corresponding angles? First of all, listen here. This corner angle, that is M angle always equal or it is equivalent to this N angle. That means you have to match the corner angles here. Clear? Congruent means same or equal. Okay, so in the adjoining figure, what is the given here? That is line PQ, means this line. Line PQ is parallel to line RS. Okay, and line AB is the transversal. Okay, is a transversal of line PQ and line RS. Clear? So what are the congruent angle or corresponding angles here? So just observe here, angle, this is symbol for angle. Angle AMP means what? AMP, this angle. AMP is approximately equal to angle MNR. MNR. That means this one. This angle is equal to this angle. Clear? Next, second, angle AMQ. AMQ, this one, is equal to angle, approximately equal to angle MNS. MNS. So this one. This is the second pair of the corresponding angles. Understand? So these are the equal angles. Okay. Next, third, angle PMN. PMN, like this one. This one. PMN, this is equal to what? Angle RNB. RNB, this. So these angles are the angular equal angles. Next, angle QMN. QMN, this one. Okay, is equal to angle SNB. SNB, this one. So these angles are corresponding angles and they are equal to each other. Okay, clear? So how many angles, corresponding angles form here, that is 4. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corresponding angles we have to find out. Okay, here, clear? Now next, that is property of alternate angle. Okay, so what is meant by alternate angle here? Okay, each pair of alternate angle formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. Okay, what is meant by alternate angle? We have to skip one place. Okay, like suppose I want to calculate alternate angle of this one. Okay, this is what? This is the exterior. Exterior means what? The angles away from the internal one, that is between these two lines there is a interior angle. Okay, apart from this there is a exterior angle. Okay, so we will discuss this step by step here. First of all, we have to calculate the interior alternate angle. So what is the interior alternate? Interior means what? Between these two parallel lines there is a interior angle. So what is the interior angle? This angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this one. Clear? So we have to calculate the interior alternate angle. So when we talk about this one, the alternate of this angle is what? This one. Okay, so like this. So first of all we will consider here angle PMN. PMN, like this one angle. This angle is equal to what? MNS. MNS. This one. This angle and this angle are equal angle. Okay, next angle QMN. QMN. N is here. This angle is equal to what? MNR. MNR. This one. Clear? Next, exterior angle, exterior alternate angles. Angle AMP, AMP, this one, is equal to angle SNB, SNB, this one. Okay, SNB. Angle AMP is equal to angle SNB. Similarly, angle AMQ means this one, AMQ, this one, is equal to what? RNB, RNB, this one. That means equality we have to show here. Okay, so interior angle, alternate angle have two types, that is interior alternate angle and exterior alternate angle. So according to that angles we have to show the equality. Okay, next, third one is what? Property of interior angle. Okay, we have to show the property of interior angle here. Each pair of interior angles formed by two parallel lines. Okay, each pair of interior angles formed by two parallel lines like line PQ and RS and their transversal is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means what? It forms the 180 degree here. Okay, supplementary angle means what? Which forms the 180 degree. So interior angles, M for what? Measurement, measures of angle PMN, this one, plus measures of angle MNR, this one, is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, then measure of angle QMN, this one, is equal to measure of angle MNS, this one, is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, that means when we talk about the interior angles, the measurement of this angle plus this angle is equal to what? 180 degree, and the measurement of this one angle and this one angle is what? 180 degree. Okay, so this is only the theoretical part. In next video we will discuss about how to use these concepts in your examples. Okay, So today we will stop here. In next video we will discuss about the next part, that is practice set 2.2. Okay, thank you students.